Hello, in this video we're going to check if the DOOGEE V20 has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, let's open our settings and find security. Here's the biometrics and password and the fingerprint itself, so let's click on that. We'll need to set up the password for the phone. So this phone has a sensor and it's probably on the back. If not, it's on the right side of your phone, so it's right here. So that's the fingerprint sensor. So that means the DOOGEE V20 has a fingerprint sensor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.